Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vertex tutorial. So let's start. This one is the first exercise of you can say that orthographic projection. So from this video, from now onwards, we will learn how to read a 2D drawing or 2D mechanical drawing, and from that how to make our models. So this one we have is orthographic projection, and this we have is front view. You can see that this arrow it is showing from here is that if we are watching this object from here, the projection which will be come out is this one is the front view, okay, and this one is the top view, and this one is the top view. This one is the front view, this one is top. Now we are going to generate this model by the help of these two projections. So let's see how to generate a model by using projections. First of all, we are going to model this base. So base we have is 80 by 40. Select front plane, sketch, go here, center rectangle, make a center rectangle by 80 by 40. 80 by 40 is a rectangle. Now we are going to draw this wall. So this wall is this one. You can see the taper side of this, and this is 10 mm thick. This wall is 10 mm thick, and from here to here we have a distance of 80 minus 10 minus 25 minus 10. We will get this distance, and this vertical distance we will get from this 35 minus 10. This vertical distance is 25. So let's draw. Okay, go to features. The thickness of the base, remember, is 10 mm. We have our base. Hide this plane. Go to, I'm going to put some material on it. Polished copper. For better understanding, I want to put this one is more visible. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal, again flip that. Now select line, make a structure like this one. So this was our 25, and from here we had 80 minus 25 minus 10 minus 10, which is equal to t minus 10 minus 10 minus 25, which is equal to 35. And now you can see that the thickness of this wall is 10 mm. Go to feature, extruded boss base, reverse the direction 10 mm. That's it, we have this wall. Now what? Now we are going to design this portion. So for that we will get the dimension from this. As we know that it is 25 mm of height, and this thing is 10 mm, and this thing is 10 mm also, and this one, the dia of this circle is 25. So let's see how to draw that. Again select this face, sketch, control it, okay. Now from here to here draw a line, go here, exit from the sketch or escape. From here to here draw a structure like this. We have a line, select line, meet these 2 points. Now 3-point arc, select this point, like this, and this is 25 divided by 2 in case of radius, and this one is 10, this one is 10. Select this line, collinear. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to features, extruded boss base, reverse the direction. The thickness of this portion would be 40 minus 10, that is 30. Click OK. Now we are supposed to draw a throughout circle, which is 15 mm from this edge and 15 mm from this edge. Again go to Solidworks and select this face, sketch, control it for normal, select circle. From here to here we have 15 mm. From here to here we have 15 mm, and now the diameter of the circle is 10 mm. Now go to features, cut, extrude. So you can see that this model is ready. So we have successfully generated orthographic model from given projection. So thanks for watching this exercise, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.